back to Bochiknot and Bochiknot.com. My name is Nicole, and welcome to day 8 of the 12 days of Macrame Christmas. So as a part of day 8 of the 12 days of Macrame Christmas, we will be going over a Macrame angel. So when I asked you guys what Christmas ornament you guys wanted to see on Instagram, a lot of you mentioned Macrame angel. I wanted to come up with something a little bit more unique than all the angels out there. Instead of using macrame for the wings, I've opted to use actual feathers for the wings. And without glue necessary, we can use string to hold on to the feathers and have them hold on strong very well. I really like this angel pattern because of the simplicity of the pattern, but also because of the different textures used. When it comes to macrame, I'm very into different textures, using different size cords, using different types of cord, and incorporating beads, sequins, and feathers. I would say, other than tying the tiny knots with the string onto the feathers, that might be a little tricky if you're not used to working with thin string. The pattern is rather simple otherwise, because it's really just the tassel that we have to make onto the body of the angel. The cord I'm using in this tutorial also fringes really nicely. There's no need to fringe it over and over again. With just a few comb throughs, it should fringe out straight and fluffy. And now that we're on day 8 of the 12 days of Macrame Christmas, we only have a few days remaining. On tomorrow's day 9 of the 12 days of Macrame Christmas, we will actually be doing a live workshop. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I'll post the details to the live workshop in the video description below. I really hope you guys will enjoy this Macrame angel tutorial. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys liked it, and comment below to let me know what your thoughts are. And with that, let's begin. Before we begin, you will need some materials and supplies. I've used 4mm cotton cord for the bottom part of the angel, so the tassel part of it. And this is a really soft single strand cotton cord in milk white. Not only is this cord sturdy and easy to work with, it also fringes really nicely and beautifully as well. I'll be showing you guys later in this tutorial on that. You will also need some 1mm or 2mm string. The one I'm holding here is a 1.5mm 2-ply string in natural, also from our rainbow cord line. You'll also need a 1-inch to 2-inch size ring. I'm using a wooden ring here. You'll also need a large hole bead that will fit several strands of string, and also some feathers for the angel wings. This last one is optional. You can use other string like the natural string that I have here on the right, or you can use some gold string to add some contrast onto the angel. These are the recommended cord and string lengths that you will need for the pattern. To begin, take the ring and also one strand of string at 45 centimeters long and fold it in half and make a lark's head knot onto the ring. The lark's head knot will actually sit on top of the ring instead of at the bottom. And then with the 2 string ends, thread through a large hole bead. Then with each of the string ends, we're going to pull them back to the back side of the ring, and then with one string at a time, we're going to attach it onto the bottom of the ring using double half-hitch knots. So starting with the right end, we're going to make a double half-hitch knot onto the bottom of the ring. Bring the string back and over to the right, and then bring the string over to the left and through the loop. Then do the same thing with the left string. With both string ends, tie one overhand knot at the bottom of the ring. And now we're going to attach some feathers onto the angel. Because this angel is a little bit smaller, it's going to be an ornament-sized angel. I want the wings to fit the size of the angel, so I'm going to cut off a little bit of each feather. You're going to want approximately 4 feathers on each side. Once the feathers have been trimmed, we're going to take the string from the bottom of the ring, and with the right string end, we're going to wrap it around the ends of the feathers. Wrap it around a few times, and then we're going to make a slip knot to hold the feathers in place. Or you can just make one overhand knot. Pull on the knot to tighten. If you have enough space to make another overhand knot, then do so that it is a double overhand knot, keeping the feathers in place. Then repeat on the left side. Take your 8 strands of cord, and what we're going to do here is split the cord into 2 groups of 4 cords each. And then with 4 cords at a time, we're going to comb through them. We're basically attaching a tassel onto the bottom of the ring, and so you want to comb through the fringe first so that it has a nice, smooth and even look all around the tassel. Once both sections are combed through, we're going to take one section and weave it through the left side of the angel, and then take the second section and weave it through the right side of the angel. And now, because it will form one large tassel, we're going to comb through the front and the back of the tassel so that the sections are blended together. As you can see, with just a few comb throughs, the fringe is already looking nice and fluffy, which is a huge benefit and feature of the rainbow cord, since it takes a lot less time to fringe through compared to other cords. Once you are satisfied with the tassel on the front and on the back, then we're going to make sure that the angel wings, so that the feathers are nice and snug underneath the tassel, and then we're going to take a strand of gold string at about 40 centimeters long, and we're going to make a gathering knot right underneath the feathers. Take the string and make a loop with one end, hold it with one hand, and then take the long end and wrap it around the gathered cords several times. Then once you reach all the way towards the end, we're going to weave the cord end through the loop we made in the beginning and pull on the top end to tighten the knot. Before cutting off the excess string and cord, pull on the cords at the bottom of the tassel to make sure that nothing is scrunched up at the top, and comb through the fringe again at the bottom to make sure everything is nice and even. So now to clean up the angel, you can cut off the excess string and trim the fringe at the bottom of the tassel. And then lastly, to be able to hang this up as an ornament, take a strand of string at 20 centimeters long, weave it through the top of the ring, and then make one big overhand knot. And then cut off the excess after that. And you are now complete with the macrame angel ornament pattern. I really hope you guys enjoyed making this macrame angel. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.